This time we will deal with iPhone 6s error code 9 issue. The phone is stuck in recovery mode when powering up and have no access to the system. Connect it with computer and restore via iTunes. Error 9 appears. Judging by iTunes error codes and their corresponding analysis, the fault might be caused by damage of NAND flash chip, abnormal NAND flash chip power supply, or abnormal circuit between NAND flash chip and CPU. Disassemble the phone and take out the logic board. Check if there is damage or moldy condition. Focus mainly on components around NAND flash chip. All going well. Connect the logic board with DC power supply. Short pin 4 and pin 6 of J4700 with tweezer. The system will then detect power button press. Current reading on the ammeter is 80 mA to 180 mA. No large current issue, which indicates that the logic board is not short circuit. Let's start with measurement of NAND flash chip power supply voltage. NAND flash chip requires 3 sets of power supply from PP0V9, PP1V8, and PP3V0. Switch the multimeter to voltage mode. The power supply voltage of PP0V9 can be measured at C1543. The measured voltage value is 0V89, which is normal. The power supply voltage of PP1V8 can be measured at C1534. The measured voltage value is 1V78, which is normal. The power supply voltage of PP3V0 can be measured at C1500. The measured voltage value is 2V98, which is normal. NAND flash chip power supply is normal. Next move is inspection of circuit between NAND flash chip and CPU. For better measurement, detach the NAND flash chip first. Attach logic board to PCB holder. Stick components around with high temperature adhesive tape to avoid pseudo-soldering or bridging at high temperature. Blow with hot air gun at 260 degrees. Scrape off black adhesive around NAND flash chip with sculpture knife. Be careful with the logic board circuit when scraping. Then heat NAND flash chip with hot air gun at 330 degrees. Once capacitors around begin to melt tins, pry off the NAND flash chip with sculpture knife. Add low melting point tins to the bonding pad with soldering iron. Meanwhile, clean tins on the bonding pad with soldering iron. Blow with hot air gun at 260 degrees. Scrape off black adhesive on the bonding pad with scarpture knife. Then, blow with hot air gun at 320 degrees and clean tins on the bonding pad thoroughly with solder wick. Clean again with PCB cleaner. Switch to dial mode. Measure resistance between pins on the bonding pad and grounding. Or normal value. We can conclude that circuit between NAND flash chip and CPU is normal. The fault might be related to NAND flash chip. Now we need to check it with the PCIC NAND flash chip programmer. Connect the PCIC NAND flash chip programmer with computer. Attach the detached NAND flash chip to the programmer. NAND flash chip info cannot be read. We can confirm now that the NAND flash chip has been damaged. To fix the issue, we need to replace it. Since info of the detached NAND flash chip is unable to be read, we have to confirm Wi-Fi address, Bluetooth address, and serial number with the help of the IMEI on the GSX query platform. Attach the spare plate detached NAND flash chip to the programmer. Read the NAND flash chip info. Write in iPhone 6s underlying data, and then Wi-Fi address, Bluetooth address, and serial number. Click Query Info and verify all route info. Then reboot the data writing NAND flash chip. Once finished, apply some BGA paste flux to the bonding pad. Align the data writing NAND flash chip to the right place. Do not reverse the direction when aligning. Heat with hot air gun at 320 degrees. With the chip sinking and paste flux flowing, continue heating for 20 seconds. The shielding paper has been shed during the heating process. Remember to paste new shielding paper once repair has been finished. Wait for the logic board to cool for 5 minutes. Then clean with PCB cleaner. Get the logic board assembled and connect the battery. Buckle the display assembly. Connect it with computer and restore via iTunes. Once finished, insert SIM card and activate the phone. Run function test. All going well. Fault has been cleared. One tips: get the phone full assembled after confirmation of fault clearance. iPhone 6s error code 9 issue fixed perfectly. And this is our iPhone 6s error code 9 repair course today. Feel free to visit our official website www.rewatechnology.com. See you next course.